What's good? What's good? What's good, man? Give it
Good,
a
bro.
second. Let everybody get up on this. Get up here. Get this thing popping today. Get my screen set up. Oh damn, I ain't even sharing my screen. All right, give me do like this. While we giving everybody damn, we ain't do no tweet. I ain't do no tweet or
Yeah,
nothing.
so good.
Oh man, I'm slipping on my pimping, bro. We just have to do a quick little share the link. Where we at, man? Man, huh? That's crazy. All right. All right. Oh, part two. Here we go. And Dre. Dre's bet. There we go. Okay. All right. Now that I got that out. Okay. My brother, how you doing, man? How was your day today, bro?
Had an excellent day, bro. Had an excellent day, man. Can't complain. Finished green for the day on everything.
Facts.
Portfolio, futures trading. So,
Nice.
all right, what about you?
Nice. Yeah, I mean, yeah, options was good. Futures, I did finish green, but I could have had a much better day. This morning when I took my trade, I didn't have the best location, so when we kind of like had like a little quick pop before everything broke the hell down, they stopped me out and then went right in my direction, and I was like, God, dog it. So then after that, I kind of kept risk small, tried to scout my way out of it, which I did, but had I not got started out of my original trade, I would have had a phenomenal day. But I mean, it is what it is. It happens. So
I'll go sometimes.
yeah, it happens, man. I'm just like, damn, man. But yeah. So with that being said, man, welcome to Late Night Leverage. Your co-host Zay, and got my boy Quadree here. Dre will be here later. Tuesdays, his wife got a new job, so he'll be joining us later in the set. And yeah, man, we gotta catch up. We got some things we gotta discuss. This market is back and forth, pretty much stuck in a zone. And then of course, we'll tell you what we trade in and whatnot and go from there. So I need to share my screen so we can talk a little bit about this market performance. I do correct me if I'm wrong, Quadri. The last time we did a show was in January, right?
Yeah, it was it was last Tuesday, the day before Meta earnings.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do real quick is just run through how everything performed, right? So how everything performed. Let me just change my background here. I know white be killing people. So that's a little bit better. Okay, so quick update, right? So the January barometer, all of the major indices finished positive, right? So you had the ES or SPX finish up roughly about 1%, right? You can see that there. We attacked December highs, couldn't quite close above December highs, but still a positive month. We look at the NQ right here. It was positive under like 0.8%, not quite 1%. Again, attacked December highs, and that was that. You had the Dow up 1.38%, attacked December highs, came back into the range. And then last but not least, the standout performer was the Russell that was up 5% for January. And it managed to close above December highs, right? So January barometer, if you're not aware of what the January barometer is, that's usually how January goes, the rest of the year goes. So the fact that January was positive, I think it was, I saw the stat like the first 5 days were positive. That increases the probability of us having a positive year to like 92%. So by the end of the year, right, the expectation is that the market will be higher than what it was at the end of January, right? So we have that going for us. Now, that is not to say that we ain't gonna get no volatility, right? So even though January barometer was positive, I think that it is the midterm year, so we still should expect some volatility. But we should, we should be able to see through that volatility by the time we get to the end of the year. So we shall see, right? We shall see. What else, man? You mentioned Meta's earnings, right?
Yep.
So they got a pop. They got a pop. Who? I mean, I won't go into everybody's earnings, but I mean, listen. Even with all the earnings, all of the craziness as far as geopolitical headlines and stuff, I think the biggest thing that I wanted to point out tonight before we get into anything that we traded is that if we keep it at 100, yo, we've been, and I more or less want to go down to a weekly because we've been range bound for quite some time,
Yep.
right? Quite some time. Where we really think about what we have here is ever since that October into say November pullback, and really you can even include that October 10th sell-off, right? If you really want it, you could really include this, right? Since we had that sell-off and then we had this sell-off. But ever since then, I mean, yeah, we've gotten above that high that we put in back in October, but we ain't really closed above it. And then ever since the Thanksgiving rally, it's just been sideways action. Down,
Yep.
up, down, right? And I don't know, man. How does it, what are your thoughts on that before I give my thoughts? How are you feeling about that? And what?
Like you said, we've been ranging, and it's like we on ES we eclipsed 7,000, and then we just rejected hard off of it. And I really think that chances are we're gonna go lower before we go higher, and if not, we just stay in the range. Something as we said today in the group, even the government shutdown ending didn't do nothing. It just made it just slowed down. And then one thing you did forget is to talk about the huge sell off in the metals on Friday.
Oh, hey, well, yeah, talk about it.
Yeah.
Golly.
Everybody holding it back. Look, the sell off so bad, Top Step not even let you trade gold and silver right now. So it's like
facts.
Silver was down 30, I think it was down
30%.
30%. Gold was down 18%.
Yeah.
Granted, today is spiked up, probably dead cat bounce, but it's a lot of interesting things going on in the market. February is a very interesting month. It's the second worst month statistically, right?
Yeah.
That's just statistics. Things could change, but it don't look like we want to go higher. So we'll see.
And you know what else we forgot to mention?
What?
Bitcoin sell off.
Yo.
Right? Not only did the metals, sell off, but you had Bitcoin sell off. I mean, I think today it touched under 73. It finally took out the April lows from last year. And it's funny because when you talk when we discuss all of that stuff, because of the metal sell-off, because of the Bitcoin sell-off, there was a big, I would say, expectation, by the retail crowd that the market would sell off coming into Monday.
Yep.
And that's why, when the market rallied the way it did on Monday, it likely caught some people off guard.
Yeah, and you even speak to that. You remember not too long ago, Bitcoin was the when the market's going down, you roll your money into Bitcoin. It wasn't as correlated as it was. So maybe we're getting this correlation, But,
I mean, I was going to say that,
so
people have been crying for the decoupling of the market and Bitcoin, and be careful what you ask for. Because you got it. I just don't think people got it in the way they thought they was gonna get it.
Definitely looking
that thing damn sure is decoupling, but the market is hanging in there, and Bitcoin is in a whole freaking bear market.
Man, it's in the bear market so bad, man. You just gotta be if you anybody that got Bitcoin and just hold on, man. You just gotta hold on to ride the wave because this it's like the wave just started.
Facts.
You know, but on the contrary, like I know me and you we like Bitcoin.
Yeah,
This is
absolutely. I
not
mean, I
financial,
think. Go ahead. What you gonna say?
ain't financial advice, but you might want to look in start position because you never know.
I was gonna say that. If you're gonna be a long term holder of Bitcoin, right? Um, DCA DCAing is a good strategy, right?
Yeah,
Don't try to call the bottom. I will say though that here's what I'm gonna do differently, right? Because I don't want to be like all the folks we see on social media, like ignore the noise, just buy the dip. Like I think you need to have some situational awareness of potential price levels this thing can go to.
yes, sir.
Like some people are just like, just buy it. Like, yeah, let's buy it selectively though. You know what I mean? So if I pull up Bitcoin and I'm gonna go and turn off this real quick. I'm gonna put on my EMAs real quick. So 75 is definitely a good price to start scaling in, right? Definitely below April low, which was 74. So if you want to kind of add a little bit there, that's certainly a good area to add, right?
Mhm.
Then I say you have to be very selective and consider where would be the next spot you potentially would want to kind of scale in at. And I would say for me personally, it's got to be under 66, right? Or under 66.7, meaning we're going to take out November of 24 low. And that's where my monthly 50-day moving average is. So between 63 and 66,
Yep.
that's where I would
That's
start to
where.
have that's where I would start to add a little bit more. And if you just do math, a 50% drawdown from all time high is 63,150.
Yep.
So it's like, okay, if I'm gonna add a little bit here at 75, what's that next area I want to add? Well, I'm gonna wait until it gets into that box area. If it gets there, if it don't, then cool. I got it in a 75, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think once you scale in there, the next like load the boat area for me would be 50,000, 48,000 to 50,000.
Yep.
Right. Bitcoin get to 48,000, 50,000.
Yeah, you
You
got it.
know, yeah. Look, that's where if you got the means to buy whole Bitcoin, you might want to.
Yeah, you might.
You
You might go crazy.
know what I mean? But right there. So, just to give people, some prices, I say, under 75, 74 is a good one, between 63 and 66, and then ultimately 48 to 50, right? Other than that, you just sit and wait, right? You just sit and wait. So that's Bitcoin. That is Bitcoin. And we just hit 7:30, bro. So I want to go see something real quick while we're talking about some trades. I'm about to see if I can. Let me see
Yeah, I'm
what I.
actually in it. I'm actually in the trade.
Oh, well then here, let me put your screen up while I get my shit together, and you can talk
Break
about the
even though.
trade you in. What
It's
you
close.
what you in, brother?
Thank you. Short.
Thank you. Oh, you sure? Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. Let's see who we got on live with us. I think we got my brother Larry is in the building. What up, my guy?
Square
We got
Larry
King
still here.
Burrell in the building. We got
Square
Shauna
Ray.
in the building. What's up, Shauna?
Good Shauna.
Yeah, let me go ahead and take that off. Okay, so Quadri, you short
Yeah, but I got
the
rotate stop because I'm not. I want
huh?
us to look at the higher time frame. Like I really want us to. We're in this fair value gap right here on the hour time frame,
Yeah.
but we could go up higher before we go back down. So that's
Right.
what I'm
Yeah,
making on.
this is we gap down a little bit too.
I just got stopped out too. So yep.
You had a super tight stop there.
Yeah, because I don't want us to come back. Because 8 o'clock is really the real move. So I ain't really trying to
No, that's a fact.
have it go crazy up and then take the move I wanted. I'd rather be make some money but no money.
Wow, I feel that.
In my background.
Let's see. Let's see.
Redo my candles.
All right. So I'm looking at this. All right. So let me let me show everybody what I'm looking at this evening. So for me, y'all, a couple things. Let me just turn one thing off really quick. Let me turn one thing off. So I want to turn off this right here for now. And then I'm gonna also just cover this up. So um okay, so if you guys, so now y'all can see my screen. I'm looking at the ES, and what you see here is what's called our weekly MAE MFE indicator. Now the green line is the weekly open, which is 69.3850, and we literally closed like right on that after hours. This and then we got a nice little pump, and we're kind of just hanging on it, right? So not only are we hanging on to the opening, we're in between the 100% probability to the upside and the 100% probability to the downside, right? And we've already tagged both of them, so it's not like there's an edge between either one right now. And the fact that we right there smack in the middle, like Quadree said, we could go up first, we could come down. Really got to wait for it to give us some direction. I think the other part that I do want to turn on and show you all as far as what I'm seeing overnight is this higher time frame indicator. So we have, and I need to zoom in on this really closely so y'all can see. So we got Tuesday. This is Tuesday's range, and then we also got Sunday's range, and then we have the 5 EMA, which is a constant, which is sitting at 69.5125. Now, mind you, I'm on the ES, right? So the fact that we're holding above this open, I would think that the market may want to, or ES may want to go up to this 5 EMA first, and maybe even could get rejected here at the Tuesday range, or maybe go into the Tuesday's range. But what I will say is all of this right here, this basically from Tuesday's high to Sunday's low, this is about to be a very choppy zone because a lot can happen, right? We could go up and get fully rejected and flush back through it. We could come down and shoot back through it. But there is, until you get a sustainable close above Tuesday's high or below Sunday's low, it's about to be whipsaw baby. It's about to be whipsaw baby, And so tonight we're gonna have to be very patient, right? Tonight gonna have to be very patient. I may not even, man. Let me know what. Let me turn these off and let's go look at the metals. Quadree mentioned those good old shiny metals. So let's go take a look at these metals real quick. So gold, what you doing? Okay, gold. All right. I think this could, yeah. You thinking this? Yeah, I think this might just be a relief rally on gold, man. You on mute, by the way, too, Quadree. I think this could just be you had this. What was this? What kind of this a crazy ass drawdown on gold, man? Where the hell is my there you go. So from the high up here to this low, gold had gold basically went into a bear market in 3 days. 21% drawdown, and then now you're getting a nice little bounce, right? So could be a relief rally. We'll have to see. Silver, oh my god, that one was even worse. So silver from its all-time high to the low, bro, that is wild. 41% in 3 days.
Clapped.
God dang. Clapped, and then platinum, yeah, platinum futures kind of was signaling it because they had been, but they was down 35% in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, right? So the metals took a nice little licking. But yeah, let's see. They are rallying back though, so we'll see if they can hold that. Now, this is the one that I think people need to pay attention to. Oil. Oil is slowly, steadily chugging along.
Yes, sir.
And I just, we was talking about this between ourselves, is that I kind of want this Middle East stuff to be very easy. Like
Mhm.
I don't want something to pop off and then oil goes crazy, because then I think it'll do what it did here, where I think I forgot what the news was, but this sucker ended up gapping up like 10%, and then by the end of the day, it was down 9%. That was probably one of the craziest
Yep.
sales I ever seen on oil. But ever since then, it could never get back right. Like it literally just kept dying off. So I don't want us to have to go through that, bro.
Agreed.
So I'd much rather it continue to do what it's doing with this nice, slow and steady kind of move up. And then to me, that the trend would be very real. What we're seeing in oil. So, but oil is quiet. It's doing what it's doing, and so folks need to be paying attention to that. All right, looks like we coming back down, Quadree. Really just in the zone. We ain't really doing too
No,
much.
man, it's not doing what I want to do.
Yeah, it might
I need,
just be
I need some type of manipulation, bro. Come on.
right. Take a high, take a low. It
Yeah,
ain't did neither one.
I'm doing nothing right now.
It ain't did nothing.
But we had movement, big movement on Sunday, big movement yesterday. So
Yeah.
counted the NQ. So
I got your screen up, so we looking at yours. So yeah, man, that's that. Let's see, what else we need to catch the people up on. Energy been doing well. Um, like you had mentioned, February. That was a good stat because I did not know, or I had just found out today that February
mhm.
is the second worst month. Now, what I did know is, or what I did research on, is that usually though the negativity doesn't really start to happen until the back
Back
end of the
in the
month,
February. Yep.
right? So, well, that's something we have to pay attention. You know what? How about this, right? Not only do we have to worry about that, but let's talk about Google and Amazon. They report this week,
Yes, sir.
right? Google and Amazon. I think those are going to be that will be, two events that will cause some volatility this week, right?
Yep.
How what you thinking on Google?
Yeah. So I'm gonna say this. I think that Google gonna sell off, and that money like is gonna rotate into Amazon somehow.
I like it. I would like that a lot.
I think Google has had his run, and we know Google's going to probably be one of the top two, three stocks in the Mag Seven this year.
You know who? Google.
Yep, but it's had a crazy, crazy run, man. I remember when I was in that 145, and when it got to 200, I thought I did something.
That Jay win another whole $100
Minimum contracts.
and some.
You remember I was mad at about the earnings call that day.
Yeah, and it
Sold it.
sold off a little bit.
Nah, I sold it at 200, and it went to like 220.
Oh yes, yes,
I
yes,
was so
yes.
mad, and then it never came back down.
It never came back down. Yeah, it never came
Nah,
back
so
down.
but I think Amazon is definitely a sleeping giant waiting to be unraveled, even if it does sell down with the amount of research that we've done.
Yeah, yeah, we did. Yeah.
And I think they're gonna have a good earnings call. I really do.
Yep.
I definitely
And
would love to see some weakness going into Thursday. So tomorrow, I would like to see it down some more, if possible.
yep. So yeah, man. If we looking at Google, I got Google up on the screen. Let me if I can find my daggone tool, man. Need to find my tool. There it goes. So looking at Google family, off of the April lows. Yeah, off of the tariff, off of the Liberation Day lows, right? Google is up an amazing 148%. Right. Now, like Quadree said, I don't expect nothing negative about this earnings call. What concern? Well, I don't. What gives me caution would be if people decide, or if investors decide it's time to take some profit, because we've seen it already this year where companies can report, they'll kill it, and yet the stock will still sell off. And usually when you see something like that, that means it's at full valuation. People are taking profit. Maybe the good earnings was already baked into the stock, blah, 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 right? So that's the one thing that does kind of give me pause for concern. At the same time, though, yo, I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps running too, though. Like that like the momentum,
It's crazy.
on this stock is so crazy that it don't got to sell off, right? You got price targets of like 360, 350, 370, something like that. And so I wouldn't be surprised to see this name, you know, all of a sudden, go up to 360, 370, right? Because you got to think about it. They got Waymo, YouTube, they AI been popping, they TPU sales. Google has a lot going for it, right?
Yeah.
Gemini's. So I've officially transitioned over to Gemini. Is way better than Chat GPT.
Yes, sir.
And so yeah, they just got a lot going for them, man. You know what I'm saying? They got a lot going for them. So we'll see. To your point though, would I like to see it come down a little bit? Sure, right? Do some profit taking to give people a better entry, give people a chance to get in. But not only that, rotate that money a little bit,
Yep.
right? Rotate that money a little bit. And so as we're talking about rotating, right, where would I like to see it ultimately rotate? Well, we're gonna go talk about Amazon because they report the next day.
Yes, they do.
Right. And when you look at Amazon, Amazon off of the April lows, if we go look at the last earnings pop, it made it up to 60%. But where it's currently sitting right now, it's up 47% off the April lows from last year, right? So, you do that comparative analysis, you got Google that's up what we say 140% compared to an Amazon that's only up 47%. So, one of the things is that I've heard chatter that Amazon could be the Google of this year. And so that got me to thinking is if Amazon can, do 100% off of them tariff lows, we're talking about Amazon going up to 323.
Yes, sir.
That would be amazing.
Great.
That would be amazing, right? And shout out to my dog Trey and the runners. He posted this video. Dumb Money is the name of the podcast. But yo, there was a guy on there, and he was breaking down all the research he did on Amazon. And yo, when I tell y'all, he had me so freaking hyped, y'all. I'll see if I can find it or something like that. I'll drop it in the comments after this video, after we're done. But yo, the dude was spitting hella game about just how underappreciated Amazon is, how they got titanium chips, just the investments that they're making, how Anthropic is doing really good. And Amazon owns what, like 30% of Anthropic or some shit like that. I mean, he was just going in, bro. I was just like, dog, how is Amazon not at 300 right now? Like, yo, he was going in. But he also, he brought up some good points where one of the things that holds Amazon stock down is you got persistent selling by Amazon, by Bezos and his ex-wife. Right. So that's like once we break through that sell wall, you could really see Amazon run. So I think this is the one that most people are watching because it lagged the most out of the Mag 7 last year. I think this is the one that is highly liked or wanted for this year, right? I know it was a top stock for a lot of people coming into 2026. So expectations are a little high. Expectations are certainly a little high. So if they can come in and do what they do, in the interim, I would love to see it take out this high, get to 260, and then from there, if it really wants to do some things, make its way up to this 281, 285 area, because 280, now mark this down, y'all. 281.50 is where Amazon crosses the 3 trillion market cap. And I told the runners this. It may not happen tomorrow or Thursday on their earnings, but by the end of this year, I have 99%, I believe that Amazon will be at least 281, if not higher. Like, I 99% think that Amazon can get to a 3 trillion market cap by the end of this year. So if it don't happen on Thursday, that's fine. You still got to the end of the year. And if anything, if it sells off on Thursday, even better entry for when it gets to 281 by the end of the year. So I got my eyes on this one heavy. Heavy, 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 heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. And that will complete, me making sure I'm in my top. I'm in my top names for 2026. Like, I already banged out my XOM trade.
Yep.
And now I'm in Chevron, but Amazon was number 2 for me. So I really, really, damn. Now here we go. We break it down, bro.
Sure, too.
God dog it. I
I'm
think
sure.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, we might get a nice little sale, bro.
Yeah, I had to get back in, bro.
Oh, you got back in?
Hell yeah.
I'm trying to wait for 8, but oh man, that would have been a really good
My,
entry.
when we talking about Amazon, my setup form, so I was like, I gotta take it.
I gotta take it. I ain't mad at you, yo. Like, I'm come on, 8 o'clock. I need 8 o'clock. Oh my god, my daughters, bro, they be killing me. All right, hold up. I gotta. Okay, come on, 8 o'clock. All right. Damn, that joint threw me off. I seen we started dipping a little bit. Hold on, I'm gonna go to your screen. Are you in your trade now? Are we able to see? Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay. See, the NQ still is actually below. It's still below the weekly open, so it's weaker.
Facts. If I was to go to yep. Below previous month, below Tuesday, about to break Sunday. Range.
On NQ.
Yep.
I think, yeah. Oh yeah, we looking at it. Oh no, come on, baby. Oh, they about to do it. They about to go crazy. So let's see. I gotta see. Ah, man. God, they pushing us down, bro. Ain't that something?
Yes, they are.
Come on, man. I think 8 o'clock. Soon as that 8 o'clock switch over, that thing might get real serious. As soon as 8 o'clock hit.
Yo, I need to take out this O right here. I'm gonna put. Let me see.
My guy Maz is in the building. What up, Maz? Maz King is in the building.
What it do?
Say Drake. Nah. Drake got snatched out again. Nah, his wifey works, so he actually probably about to be joining in a minute. He'll probably be on in, I'd say, probably by 8. I think his wifey get home. He'll probably be on in a minute. But nah, yeah, Dre had a hell of a day, boy. That boy went crazy today, dog.
Yeah, did he go crazy?
Huh?
He did go crazy.
Yeah, Dre went crazy, boy. He saw that short, my boy went, hey, I said, oh, golly. Oh, come on, man. 8 o'clock. You know what? Let me go down to this 15-minute. Let me see what we looking at real quick.
Take that low out. I'm like, yeah, buddy.
We ain't triggered no long or short yet, have we?
Nah.
Yeah, not we ain't triggered nothing on the ES either yet. Okay, yeah, we kind of just we just ranging and chopping here.
Uh-huh.
And it's gonna be interesting to see what happens at 8 o'clock. Do we got any news tonight, bro?
Let's see.
Let's see who we got. Oh, my boy Cam is in the building. He said we back. On NQ, go check Friday high and how many ticks we went above before the dump. Probably on NQ, you could check that out.
No, ain't no news.
What up,
The
Benjamin?
the
Huh?
news there is yellow folder.
Okay. So nothing.
Like crazy.
Yeah. So Ma said, check out Friday high and how many ticks we went above it before the dump today on NQ. Oh, they about to watch what happens. This next 7 minutes, they finna go. They finna push this thing right on down. Watch.
He said Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta go down to the hour. Who's that? Thursday. Friday. Okay. That was 990. Went up 30 points. Oh, he flushing.
I knew it, bro. I said before, bro, we about to go. I do it, dog. I do it. Oh, I see what Miles is saying. So on Friday, the NQ high was 26,020, right? And then today's high was 26,027.75. So we literally went 7 points above Friday's high and then dumped. So just a quick little graze, took out anybody that had stops above that high. We just like sweep them and then whoop.
The people are dirty.
Yes, they did. 7 points. If you ain't have at least a 10-point stop, they got your ass.
That's how it be sometimes, bro.
Yo, that's nasty work, bro. That
Be
is
sometimes.
nasty work, dog. When you really think about it, that's nasty work. You be like, bruh. That's why you gotta make sure you had a right stop because that's the type of stuff that make you like
Crash.
you be like,
Crash.
bro. Right. You like, yo, are you serious? That's how y'all gonna do me. I see it, Moss. 7.75, bro. That's nasty work, bro. What else? Who just sent me a message? AMD getting sold. Great report. Where is that now? Man, AMD always gets sold.
Yeah, ain't nothing new. And then like
Right.
2 weeks later, it'd be some reason why they bought it back up.
AMD quick to get sold down, bro. For real. Hold on, let me go see. I could take a look. Now I'm gonna tell you the one that I think people need to be paying attention to is Nvidia. It can't get out its own way. Damn, AMD down 8%. That shit down $19. It's back down to 222.
Mm-hmm.
That's not okay. Yeah, yeah, it be like that, right? Maz said when you draw a line on the 1 minute and you check it out, it's crazy. Maz, you know I'll lead after Dre, bro. I don't go no lower than a 15, dog. and that's even after I took the boot camp. I still can't go no lower than the 15, bro. Y'all got it with that 1 minute, 3 minute. I can't do it, bro. 2 minutes, I can't do it. Especially on the NQ, Lord Jesus, hell no. Yes, AMD earnings was today. They reported well. Um, they reported well, but market don't care. Market don't care. Market is on sell mode, bro. Market gives two ish. Market doesn't care, boy. What they gonna do, bruh?
We got a minute left to 8.
Mm-hmm. Let's see what we gonna do. Carl's in the building. What up, Carl? He said, "What's good, gang?" Uh, Nvidia looks like it's ready to pull the rug from OpenAI. Oh no, that's
Ooh.
what you was just wasn't you texting me that,
Yeah.
Quadree? Say what you said, bro. Because you just told me that.
Carl, I was saying that was going to be the narrative, to pop the bubble real quick. You see, it started with
Yo,
Microsoft.
literally just told me that shit, bro.
It just started with Microsoft, bro. Then you see how they doing there. Oh snap, we pop back up. Let's see.
I don't know that way how they did that. That's more of like they flushed it down the. Oh wow, sheesh. Okay, yeah, I see what it is though.
Mhm.
We're gonna see, man. Let's see. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. We holding that little 6 o'clock open so far though. I ain't gonna hold
Mhm.
you. I don't like that.
They popping up. They buying it up. Ooh, I went from up 200 now down 200.
They might, but we also, if I pull up the other, they got us trapped between. Oh yeah, they going for it now. Where the hell is my weekly open at? Yeah, we keep rallying up to the ES weekly open. So if we can't get a rub this 38.50, then I think we will lose the 6 o'clock open though. I ain't too worried about that. Oh, I think Dre just pulled up. Yeah.
You do right.
Yo, what's good, gang, gang? Yes, sir. Good evening.
What
Good
up?
evening, everybody. Dang.
Ooh, I did not mean to do that. Oh, I'm so tight.
Hope you
Ooh,
ain't exit your trade.
nah, I had added on and added 5 more contracts. I didn't want that's too many.
Oh, woo.
Hold on, I'm about to sell some more.
Big dog.
Woo.
Yeah, I ain't stupid.
Yo. Yes, sir.
Look, that was a blessing, boy.
Yeah, they
How we
pushing
looking
it.
out there? Hey.
They keep pushing it up on us, man. They ain't trying to. I don't know what they doing, man. I don't know what they doing. What they doing? What they doing? Let me go look at this 12-hour, bro. That's what I want to pay attention to.
Yeah, it might cook me on this.
Mhm.
Patience, bro. Patience,
Oh,
man.
this candle was
Then again, I be
Tomorrow is
forgetting
Wednesday, right?
y'all be
that's
on
the
the
that's 35 points in 2 minutes.
yeah, I'll be forgetting y'all be on that crack, bro. Y'all be on that NQ. Y'all boys be on that crack, boy.
You know, we look at the hour. We already above it. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm setting.
they going
Hmm.
crazy, bro. Now 600. Dang, yo, if I would have just started, if I just would have hit buy to open at 8, bro, they about to cook me out of this.
Yeah, I'm long.
Yeah, I'm about to flip.
Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
heard you.
Yeah, I'm long micro goal.
Mm,
Yeah, yes, sir.
micro
How y'all
gold,
doing
huh?
though? Good. Everybody's good.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Just
sir.
yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
let's pull up your screen. What you see?
I'm
How'd you manage the? I thought you was having some issues with trading gold.
Yeah, I trade MTC.
I
Are you back?
did. I figure out thanks to my guy PP. You cannot trade GC. You got to trade micros. So you can only trade up to 15 contract.
Yeah.
So they limited down on GC, but you can trade micro though. So
Mm.
yeah. So I went into the micro side of things, and I'm long since, let me see right now. So I got loan at 4997.4. Yeah, with printing. Let's
On
go.
gold.
Yeah. So we test that monthly mid right here, and
Mm-hmm.
we're pushing. Yeah. hmm So I got 10 micros on.
Is that's what the max they allow you?
Well, Tasta, yeah. So in my yeah. Well, they allow 15, but I went in with 10 micros.
Got it.
So it's some Tasta not here, cause yeah, that's the Tasta account. Yeah, how was your day? Y'all talk about your day and everything? I'm pretty sure y'all did. My
Yeah,
bad.
you talk
Yeah.
about yours. You one that got to catch up.
Let's go. Let's go. We can do that. Yeah, today was a beautiful day, though. Yes, sir.
Oh, talk to us. Talk to us.
Yeah.
What happened? Tell them how you cooked them.
So today, we came in. We um, we made a higher day in London around 2:45 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good high. Stacks high. We came in, and then by the switch over at 6 a.m., we got back into NFP range. So this after taking yesterday high,
Mm-hmm.
I got a little short early here. I got a little short here because usually at the 6 a.m. candle, the first 15 minute we they make it high or low. Um, for the, I mean, sometimes it be for the hot session, and sometimes 9 o'clock we taking both sides of that range. So I got short at 6:15. Uh, it it hit my target right here at the Asia OU. So if I put
Mm-hmm.
Asia range right there, let me hide these boxes. So yeah, it came. There was Asia OU right there. I got hit to the T right there. Took profit. Then I waited. I say I'm gonna be patient. I didn't see nothing else, so I waited a little bit. We got that push. Reject the NFP high again, leaving this high alone. New York one confirmed short at 8:45. At 9 o'clock, I got my short in. And baby boy, that pay, brother. We I didn't take it all the way down. I took it to here. Twenty
Mm-hmm.
oh 806, 805 was my right here. This NFP mid was my target. So I was out the trade by like 940, 942.
Mm.
And
Mhm.
yeah, and then 9:45, we didn't do the reversal because we were on the short fall low zone, low day zone. Right here, this it was from 2%. So if I measure the high, it was 2% to 2.7, 2.7. Yeah, around this area was a short fall low day. We tried, but we rejected that mid, and that was all she wrote. It came lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower,
Yes, it did,
all the
boy.
way to 2 o'clock. Yeah, man. So we did some damage today. That was, I mean, I can't be mad. It was like 100 something points.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
Yeah.
short was from this hot. Yeah, so I'm not complaining at all. Um, I I saw the analysis like during Magic Hour. I saw it once we rejected this NFP high. I knew what time it was. Couldn't get above, and that's all she wrote.
Yeah, man. So
And then now,
yes, now
mhm,
we're gonna really see what's up, bro.
yeah, yes, sir. I hit TP on go. By the way,
The money.
target hit. Yeah, damn,
Still going.
this shit paid. Nah, it is going, but I hit TP. God damn.
Uh,
Goddamn,
Yeah.
goddamn.
Uh, yeah, man. We this
oh yeah,
is
the
I'm gonna
metals
send it
is
to you.
metals is pumping. Let's
Yeah,
see.
my bad. This is the tray right there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Man, we looked at that
Yeah.
when we first got on Quadree. This little relief rally is it's cooking.
For sure.
Yeah.
That, that was a good long too.
Mm-hmm.
True, I could have been lost at 7 if I was looking.
Say what?
No, I would have took the long at 7. I wasn't looking at it. We looked at it when we first got on. Yeah, that's some good money.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. I like. Well, you already know I was waiting to open. I wanted to get long right. I opened, but I couldn't. I didn't know why. I was not taking my order, so I had to reach out. Then they posed that nonsense, tossed it, and then my boy told me, "Oh, you cannot trade gold. You got to trade the micros." So
Yep.
I had to wait for a little bit of pullback, and I got it, and
A
we
lot of people
running.
blowing it because a lot of people hitting them. There's a lot of people blowing their accounts too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They
Spread,
just a lot of
spread
it's
was crazy.
just a lot of leverage right now, man.
That's why I stayed away from
Yeah,
it. That spread is crazy, bro.
Yeah,
When you look at your stock, I'm like, damn, I stock $3,000.
Jesus. Well, oh, based on your
Yeah, like how I would trade it, like
yeah,
because
yeah.
the moves on
The
gold.
moves are so yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
shit. Silver sold off 30% in a day. Like, bro, what?
Yeah, that was wild. Yeah,
Bruh,
super
beyond
wild.
wild.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go long.
Check copper. Car saying they might not have the leverage. They did. They put copper too on top of it.
They
It's
covered all their bases.
copper, silver, gold, and two other shit. Yeah, they're not playing
Said,
games out
listen,
there.
they covering all bases, bro. Y'all not about to run nothing up on us.
Nothing.
Facts. Yeah. How was your day? I had a great day.
Yeah,
Quadric.
had a great
You
day.
had a short too, Quadri?
Yeah,
Hell yeah,
oh, a
baby.
lot of
Let's
that.
go.
Then when I was, then I look, I'm like, damn, like just like everybody else, should have
Yeah.
held on longer.
Yeah. But it's like you told me earlier, bro.
Yep,
It's process over profits, man.
yep,
So I can't be mad at my process. It's what I wanted. That's what happened. So because it be
exactly.
the day that you want it, but then it don't happen. So then you lose. You
Oh, look
feel me?
like ES about to fire long.
Yeah.
Yep, we about to. I think it just fired long.
Yeah. NQ. I think NQ went long.
Yeah, I'm full port NMP right now.
See,
You funny, bro.
why you long?
Yeah, I'm long.
Mm-hmm.
Come
Let's
on
go,
now,
baby.
fire.
Get that money, bro.
What's that? 33.
Yep, just fired long. Here we go. All right, now let's see if
Woo.
I can
Go,
catch a little
going
something.
crazy. God damn. Oh shit. Hmm. Yo, Bitcoin. Where my Bitcoin people at? I need to talk to them. I need to have a conversation with this Bitcoin. This
Funny.
Bitcoin. Where Bitcoin at, man? We need to
They're
have a
pretty.
conversation, man. About to write an email to Raul Paul. Like, yo, my man, what's going
They in hibernation, bro.
on? Yo. Um, let me see. Where we at? Let me do some analysis. Where we at? Mm, okay. So, okay. Take this off.
Man, gold was the trade tonight. God dog it.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. That was a trade for sure. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking at that shit like, damn, that was oh yeah, that shit already. Eesh.
Yeah, it went crazy.
Yeah,
I
that
would have been
thing
long.
ran.
I would have been long.
Shana in the
75.
building, you took this long? What's up, son?
Dog, I hate this gray. I gotta turn
Yeah,
this
this
gray. It hurt my eyes. Bro, what is up with my
yeah,
charts, man?
you see, you see them about Max. Look at this, baby. This is where we're going right here. This box, 73K. I mean, I think we hit it. Yeah, we did. We hit 73. We hit one of
Mm-hmm.
my targets. Second target, 64K. Yes, sir. That's, I listen when you talk to me, Max. What do you think? Yeah, baby. See, um, we holding Sunday low range on MenQ. We came twice. We couldn't break below.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too, bro.
This this got all the all the um all the roads to retest Wednesdays. Say that's where we going, baby. Retest Wednesday, and after that, sell the rip, babe. Sell the rip.
Whew, we are in a very, very gappy zone. I just noticed
Yeah, we are.
it is like a lot of gaps, bruh. I just don't see how we can pull away from that many gaps, bruh.
Hmm.
They're gonna have to do a major washout before we can really pull away. But we pushing tonight, but I don't know if that's gonna rock out though.
Yeah, we might get into Tuesday range a little bit, and we might start heading down again. Tomorrow's Wednesday, right? Any news tomorrow? No, right?
Private payroll and ISM services.
Yep.
Hmm. Okay, interesting.
Yeah, I'm
Interesting.
I'm kind of upset that they I didn't even I went so today I went and looked to see what the jolts numbers was, and then I realized that shit was gone. I was like, oh damn, they ain't doing jolts, they ain't doing NFP. Dog, they are playing games, boy.
But isn't it the thing? Stop.
Huh?
The shutdown is isn't
It's
a
done now.
result.
That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, you telling me for a 2 day shutdown, y'all ain't got the data? That's bullish.
Yeah, they just trying to.
What the fuck? What is going on, man? These people funny, bro. Yeah, it made no sense. Hmm. Yeah. So we might
Also, I
go to
need
previous day. Mhm.
go ahead. No, go ahead. Go ahead.
We might head to into this 25,622 level and then head lower. This is an previous day mid and NFP low area. So kind of like a retest Wednesday, and then boom, hit it with the woody wood, go down. Yeah, yeah. Unless Asia do the damage, we could do the same thing we did today. Put the higher low, a higher day in London, and then drop. Hmm. Yeah, had to wait for NQ. For me to trade NQ, I had to wait. I couldn't get it here, but I was not on NQ. I was on Go, so I gotta wait.
Hmm.
See, there you go.
I gotta see this after hour hitting on, bruh.
Hmm.
Come on,
Yeah, let's see the
man.
chat.
Ooh, I like what I see here though. Come on. I need
That's not
Chevron to just
right.
I need Chevron to just keep on doing what it's doing.
Oh, they playing games. They playing games, man, with NFP. Then, huh? They don't want us. They don't want us to get NFP.
Nope.
That's funny.
That's random. He said, and they said they might not collect fabric. That's they cooking the
That's
books,
bullshit.
boy. They're cooking the books. They cooking them
Yeah, they
books.
are, beer. See, yeah,
Wow.
oil. Ooh, mm. YM. No, yes. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Hmm.
Mm.
The weekly. So let's check the weekly joint right here.
Why my alert? Yo, sometimes my alerts don't be working, bro. I'm like, what is going on?
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, they did some nasty work today, bro. Different, yo, it was crazy. Like, look at this chart. Whoop, vroom, wham. Like, come on now. What is this? Wow. He did. Yeah, man. What's your target, Quadri?
67.
Oh, you on go? Where you at?
I'm on that
NQ?
queue.
67?
Yeah.
Okay. This little wick right here. Nice.
Now I'm full port though. So it's when I go home.
Oh, you got 33 consoles on?
I got 20.
Let's go. Yeah, we have this on MA11 25 363 right there. How AMD do? It's getting smoked.
Nah, I mean the report was good, but yeah, they brought it down.
Yeah, typical shit.
Profit, profit taking.
Yeah. Yes. Hmm. Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah. Yes, sir. 5 minutes to 8:30.
Yeah, 8 o'clock came, boy. They got NQ 56 points, boy.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
sheesh.
we moving, bro. Mhm. Yes, sir.
Yeah, to me, I think they will. It seems as if we're gonna be on that whole like retrace all night type of ish,
Hmm.
and then once we get to the cash session, we'll see what's up.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, kind of like a retest Wednesday, early.
Yeah.
Yep. We below that 5 EMA too. All of that nonsense. Yep.
Oh
See,
yeah. I didn't even realize
so
that.
it
Yep.
made
Right
sense.
now. Yeah, you ain't lying.
It made sense to retrace. Yeah. Oh. Oh, oh man. Mm. Oh yeah. oil pushing. God damn, what happened? We bombing? Every time I
Nah,
see a candle like that, we bombing.
nah, you missed it. That's why I was telling Coach. I was like, man, I don't want no rally if it's off of that type. I want this to be an organic, slow chug up, so we know it's real.
Right. Oh, I see. I see a headline here. I don't know what this is bullish or not. Damn. Okay, oil.
Where you sent the
That
headline?
I send it to you. Yeah. The U.S. market is weakening on the beneath the headlines.
Oh,
Hmm.
nah, neither or.
Yeah. Oh, oh man. Boys.
Come on, man. We need to get some movement
Hey.
before we get up off here, man. Come on, man. 8:30. Let's see some 8:30. Finish off this hour nice, so that way as we get into 9 o'clock, we can head up out of here.
Factuals.
I mean, granted that initial uh push was that right there. That you would have thought it would have just kept on going, but it then stalled out.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, gold dropping like that.
Yeah.
I mean, shit, it went up 1.38%
I
at
mean, over here. Let's see
shit.
where we at. Hmm. Oh my god. Damn.
All right, here we go. 8:30. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Let's go. You long or not?
I ain't nothing,
Or
bro.
you chilling?
Yeah, I ain't.
You wait.
It's not at a place for me to make a good decision, bro. Like I said, it was sitting on it was like right at the weekly open. I ain't really like
Hmm.
how it was chopping around. Now that I'm looking at it, it might make it up to that 5 EMA like you talked about, but by now
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to wait and see.
Yeah. Playing it safe.
Let's see. Let me see if I'll do this. I'll do this. See if they what they do. Do a little. See if I can get in on this.
Yes.
I mean, we said we what we fired long, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All
Go
right, here
pulling
we go.
back. Let's go.
I mean, the market might start running, right?
FQ. Yeah. Maybe 8 o'clock. Go. keep pushing. 4 hour looking right, 3 hours too. We got yeah, and volatility went crazy today, actually, guys. So,
Yeah.
where is it?
Was it
Where's my
seven? I see
volatility?
that's
Let's talk
high
about it. Let's see
17% today.
how much.
It was as high as
17%.
17%. Yeah, today. Yep. And I looked
Yeah.
earlier. Just during when we was actually like
Oh, and you know what? Now that I think about it, not only was it as high as 17%, it did
Mm-hmm.
technically close at 10%.
Mm.
So you know you got the VIX rule in place.
TJ rule.
mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
80, you know,
makes sense on that. Yeah,
85% probability we could see a green day between tomorrow and Thursday.
facts. Mm.
Think that might be all, folks. We ain't doing jack diddly squat, bruh.
Yeah, just waiting here.
Yep. But if you caught that, what was that? Right at 8 o'clock. That was the move. ES gave you
Yeah.
10 points. I think the ES gave you 10 points. The NQ gave you
56.
I see 61.
Dang.
That candle is I'm doing a 5 minute candle, that's why.
I'm on a 15 minute. Yeah, that first 15 at 8 o'clock.
65.
That's 60. Yeah. YM ain't doing nothing.
65 point. Yeah. Hmm.
Let's see.
Yeah, guys. Buckle up. Volatile market. Play it safe. Don't go crazy. Hmm. Yeah. Headline risk is on. Any minute you drop a bomb, you already know.
Facts.
Yeah, man. 3 month chart. Oh, what's up, Cody? What's up, bro? I'm making. Yeah, I got a long on goal. Yeah, I got a long goal earlier. Um, I'm gonna do that, Max. Took a long. Yeah, I'm loving this trail. Yeah, shit, boy. This 3 hour candle, we helping me out, man. Hmm.
Let's see if we can get the prior day. I want to see if we can get up to this prior day mid on the ES. I think we can get there.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
number? What level is that?
56.75, 59, 69, 56.75. It may not happen right now.
Yeah.
During it might not. It's probably ain't gonna happen during Asia, but I could definitely see
Yeah,
it
that's
going.
NQ. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I want to see NQ too. Kind of like a retest Wednesday type of move. Come back into the range and then sell the rip more.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're not done selling, but that's me. Could be wrong. Gotta wait for that setup. So being patient.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. And Bitcoin forgot what green looks like. So yeah, yeah, that shit forgot what green means, bro. Yeah. Yikes. See, oh, we pulling back now.
Hmm.
Yeah. Man. Oh, you okay? I want to hear that car. Let's go, baby. Yeah, this guy, bro. That's you, Mads. Yeah. Yeah. China. Oh, yeah, man. Mm, hi. Gonna be interesting tomorrow for sure. Can't wait. CL. Yeah, I do. I do. I really do. Yeah, man. Look at right here. I'm watching CL like crazy, bro. If I see some crazy, I'm getting long that shit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Choppity chop, chop, chop.
Yeah, we're pulling back on gold. Fast and Furious.
And Q2.
Yeah, I was gonna say
Thank
everything
you.
pulling back, Brody.
Oh, oh yeah. Mm.
Yeah, that might have been it.
Yeah, man.
Kind of stole. It hit the level that I was thinking it might get to, but we're gonna have to see. Let me go look at
Let's see.
Spy.
Let's see if we stay long gold. When I get another long goal, let's see if we get it.
We certainly could.
Mhm.
The YM look like it's ready to dip.
Yeah. Hmm. I am. I am. Looking funny.
Yeah, the YM don't look like it's gonna have Nathaniel. Ma said might have a nice R1 in the sidebar. Yeah, yeah, that's true. He said what comes after expansion. Yeah, that's a good stat.
With the bigs
Yeah,
dropping. Mm, mm.
no
Let's see.
trade for me.
No tray.
Yeah, no trade for me, man. I really want to go short with where the ES is, but
Mm.
I might just hop in like a little paper short and let that
Paper.
play out.
Yeah, that makes that works.
See how this work out. See, look, soon as I hit the damn button, we start going up. That's exactly look. That's exactly why I'm like, bro, they ain't about to get me like this, man. I hate that shit, bro. As soon as I hit the button, bro, that joint started going up. I'm like, are you serious?
Yo, I hate those days, bro. For sure, man. You're
Like,
like, yo,
dog,
can you get me 10 points? What are you doing?
soon as I hit the freaking button.
Oh. Mm. Yeah.
I do see something though. On the 4 hour, we took the 4 hour high.
Mm-hmm.
So if I share my screen real quick, this is the reason why, because I'm looking at this right here. And so this is a 4 hour, right? We sold down 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock sell, 10 o'clock. They got that gonna sold that thing down. Got the little pop back real quick. Also, what I peeped is if you throw a fib on this 4 hour candle, bro, we went to the 50% perfect.
Yeah.
This candle closed at 69.38.75. 50% is 39.25.
Yo,
It's
Like to the T.
to the
So
team.
we just popped up a quick little swipe of this high, which was at
Mm-hmm.
46. We ended up to 47, coming back into the range. What would be 50% of this? 50% would be 29. What's that? 25? Yeah, I'm gonna let that rock like that. See if we can do that.
Watch that shit played out crazy. Watch 10 o'clock. Whoop, rah. You're gonna hit
Right.
it
So
like,
we're
oh.
gonna be off at 9, but then you know what I mean, I'm gonna walk away, go upstairs, put my girls to bed. Next thing you know, I'm gonna look, that shit gonna be in profit. I'm like, yo, what the hell?
mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Tiny said, we all feel like that as soon as you hit the button conspiracy. Dog, tell me about it. Luckily, I don't care because it's a paper trade, but like, come on, dogs. As soon as I hit the button though, like, y'all, this shit was just sitting here dwindling, not doing nothing.
Yo,
Fact.
We literally was just
We
ranging.
like
As soon as I hit the, no, I'd be like, yo, that's crazy. Yeah. Got 15 minutes. Let's see if they do something.
that.
15 minutes. 15 minutes. Did they open up the Asian market yet over here? What China doing? It ain't doing nothing.
China is open. They just dropped PMIs on China right now.
Yeah, it's open.
Yeah, they dropped PMIs right now. It came in 52.3 versus 52. Yeah, whatever that means.
But they keep putting out all this freaking these fake articles about all these trades.
mm-hmm.
I really thought Giannis was traded, but that shit wasn't real.
Nah, James Harden did get traded though.
Oh, did James Harden went real
Yeah,
for Darius Garland though?
and second round pick.
That's such a dumb trade.
What? What happened? Who we trade?
Now it's official. The Clippers deal Harden to the Cavs, and they get Darius Garland.
Oh,
To the Cavs. What?
Yeah, I don't get that. Darius Garland is good.
Yeah,
I
he's
don't,
nice.
I don't understand why they got rid of their young talent like that. I guess they try and put Harden together with what's your boy name? Donovan Mitchell.
Not a good mix.
Not a
Both
good
shoot too
mix.
quick.
Right.
No.
I don't think that's a good mix. I don't understand that trade.
Them
They
neither.
both need the they both need the ball in their hands. Not happy.
Right. Oh,
Yeah, they messed that up completely.
and I'm surprised James Harden wanted to be traded, or maybe he didn't.
No, he did. He doing that
Oh,
on
he
Quest?
did?
He
Yeah.
always do, bro. He wildin'. You
Mm.
watch. Hang it up, man. That's it, bro.
No, Harden it.
Y'all get
Damn.
it.
Go ahead. What you say, bro?
I said the Heat, they're not running for Giannis no more on Quadree.
Nah.
No.
It's looking like Golden State really trying to get it.
Yeah.
It's either them or the Timberwolves.
I don't want him there. No.
Ah.
That's why the Timberwolves.
Giannis and Ant? Woo! That would be
Nah,
crazy.
be no.
That's why the Timberwolves traded.
Mike Conley today, but
Yeah, they create cap
we
space.
need a guard. We got a new guard, bro. Like a point guard. Yeah. For Giannis. They might get rid of Nasri and freaking Jay Daniels, bro. That's the whole team. I don't know. I don't know.
Ah,
Might
Stress
be.
Soldier, what up, bro? Yeah, you late. We about to sign off. We got 12 minutes, doggy.
Yeah, we. Well, the Lakers too. The Lakers pushing for him, no?
Oh,
No, I don't think so.
they can't afford Giannis with LeBron on the cap.
True. Trade Giannis for LeBron. That'd be crazy. You imagine?
Nah, that would be yeah, that wouldn't happen. LeBron gonna be like, I'm not going to no freaking Milwaukee.
Yo, that be
Giannis get
doing boy
retired,
dirty, bro. Like, yo, we tired of you.
A
Yeah. Yeah, we dropping. Okay.
little song.
Ooh. Mm.
There you go.
Let's go.
They still just keep playing around though. But shoot, oh Lord, Ma said, no, I can't let you slander my boy LeBron like that, Maz, man. LeBron
What
ain't
is
going
that?
to no Epstein Island, dog. I can't let you slander my guy like that. He not one of them. He not one of them.
Nah.
Yeah,
I'm
boy,
dead.
boy, that boy was ain't nothing like Diddy party. Didn't he say that once? Like that with that man, boy. I don't know, man. He's funny. Ain't nothing like a Diddy party.
Yo, I'm dead.
Yo, he did say that on camera.
He did.
Yeah,
Who, LeBron?
Yep.
yeah. So you already know. Honk. Yeah, they dropping tech in China. See, I just got a tweet
They dropping
saying
who?
tech in China.
Got it.
So Ted dropped 2% week trading in Hong Kong. So that's why this is the dropping right here, right now. So this is affecting it.
Mm.
Yep. Mhm. Yes. Yeah, 10 o'clock is gonna tell us
Well, you know it.
big time. Yeah,
It happened every time, bro.
in 3 hour. Yeah, for sure. But I know you gotta be early, 2 o'clock in the morning. Yo, that a little shit. We waking up with you with $500. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, we ain't did nothing since that little move at 8 to 8:15, bro.
Yeah.
I've been looking at the same goddamn numbers for the
So you
last
need.
45 minutes.
That's a fact.
Oh,
That's a, it's one of those nights. I
yeah. I
mean, we
mean,
got
after
crazy over it. Yeah.
that's what I was about to say. After the cash session we had, you know,
Yeah.
what more do we expect, right? What
Yeah.
more
People
can we?
tired. It's this shit tiring, yo. That shit was tiring. Yeah, man. We
Yeah.
were we were going crazy in the chat this morning, bro. What? You know me, I got hype, bro. What? I saw that shit dropping. I went crazy. Let's go. Oh my lord.
Me, one nice flush. Come on.
Ooh. And then we had our little session earlier today too. So yeah, we tired, bro. Beat.
hmm
Oh man. Netflix, what's going on over here, bro? This shit getting smoked. God damn, $79. What? Okay.
Bro, that shit
What's
crazy.
going on? Yo,
A correction.
Netflix
That's what's
forgot
going
what
on.
green mean for real. That shit looks. Yeah, that thing forgot what green means. How? Shit, we down for the year. What? 15%? Mm, God damn. Okay. Microsoft. Oh nah. Yeah, Microsoft looking sorry. Another 15%.
What, Microsoft?
Yeah.
Yep. Coming back to fill them gaps.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Damn, Pine W's. He hold that alert, bro. Mm.
Did you get in?
No, 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 no.
Good.
Yeah, bro. That looking sad. You might
Yeah, bro. You might want to set a couple of more alerts a little lower
Yeah, I didn't get in on this.
because that thing. Listen, I'm trying to, listen. People gonna do what they want to do, but I'm like, bro, stay away from software right now. I ain't saying stay away from it forever, but yo, you need to stay away from that, Joy, because it's correcting.
I think getting
Let
smoked
that
for sure.
shit goddamn finish falling, form a little bit of a base, and then get in the
Yeah.
game.
You see this ratio, bro? It's telling you everything you need to know.
That shit ain't good. All right, Strat
Nah, my
Soldier.
nigga. Shit looks sus.
That shit is bad. But we got 4 minutes, fellas. Y'all got anything before we roll?
Nah, man. Stay, just keep continue process over process.
Right, right,
Yeah,
right.
for sure.
Oh
Yeah,
man.
man. I'm tired today. We're not moving, so this shit crazy. Oh,
What is he? Oh, he just posted. Whew.
Ooh.
He said, bro, it's software earning tomorrow. No, it ain't. We're gonna see. But all right, good people, man. Yeah, man, y'all trade safe, bro. Uh
Yeah.
yeah, listen, February is gonna be a very volatile month, as you can see. Um, me personally, I'm just continuing. Look, I need us to get out of this range, right? Until we can get a sustainable breakout above 69,87,000, or in order for like a pullback to really happen, we need to get back under like 68.50. It's just chop, bro. We just gonna keep ranging, rotating. Follow the money, because there are certain areas that are printing. Maybe we'll talk about those tomorrow.
Mm.
But yeah, man. Quadree, Dre.
Stay patient.
Yeah, stay patient. See y'all tomorrow.
All
Yeah,
right.
see ya tomorrow. Let's see for sure.
It's 9 o'clock. That's it for late night leverage. We'll catch y'all tomorrow evening, same time, 7:15. Peace.
Yes, sir.